Soju. We're gonna crack that open. All right, everybody, welcome to the channel. It's the Burly Bartender. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned. We're about to make some drinks. All right, cool. See y'all later. We're gonna make a Yakult, which is a probiotic yogurt soju drink. You're gonna fill up a carafe with half ice, bottle of soju. We're gonna crack that open, soju it up. Then you got your ice. Want to make sure it's enough so it's a full pitcher, right? Then you got these little yogurt cups. It's got the little tear off tab. You gotta tear it off. Two little yogurts. Boom. Then you're gonna top it with the Sprite. So that's the brand. It's just a regular soju. We also have flavors. Oh yeah, it's real sweet. Soju, sake, kind of the same. Then you're gonna take a bar spoon, just stir them up. Now you got a nice, refreshing pitcher for karaoke and a party, you know? Go. All right, so now that it's complete and ready to serve, we also have a little top. Ready to serve, so it has a little top. You know, flip off, and you can actually pour with it.